In this video, I will be showing you how you can customize the multiple music page as well as you can customize the page where you can see multiple artists. So let's get started. So in the menu, if you can see, there is something written as artist. Click on the artist page and you will be taken to the artist page. This is an artist page. Let's customize it. Edit the page. Now this is an artist page. You can see a featured image, just remove that. And in the templates, you will need to enable the artist archive. Okay, just update it. And now if you refresh it, you can see that artist page has been changed. Now let's try to add the artist. Click on add element. Now go to cards and select artist. Refresh. Add the title like our best artists. Let's make it only 4. Let's make it big and update it. And if you try to refresh it now, you will see some new changes. Wait, before that, please make it a default template. Okay, so you can see 4 artists have. We have 4 artists. Let's make it more better. Let's change the column from 1 to 4 and add more 4 and make it 8. Okay, so you can see our best artists, and this is the featured image of the single artist, and these are all the other artists. Thank you.